The 2027 Dodge Hellcat Hemi stands as the newest titan in the long and storied lineage of American muscle machines, bringing with it an electrifying blend of raw strength and modern sophistication. As it thunders onto the automotive stage, it carries a legacy built on decades of power, aggression, and unfiltered attitude, yet it also introduces a refined edge shaped by cutting-edge engineering and advancements. Dodge has crafted a machine that honors its past while embracing the future, producing a vehicle that delivers the unrestrained excitement enthusiasts expect while offering innovation that elevates the driving experience. This newest Hellcat marks a powerful evolution in performance, taking everything that defines American muscle and merging it with modern technology to create a car that truly resonates with adrenaline seekers. From the first glance, the 2027 Hellcat Hemi projects commanding presence. Its design draws inspiration from classic muscle silhouettes. Yet every angle has been sculpted with modern aerodynamic precision. The front fascia is wider and more aggressive, featuring a redesigned grille engineered to maximize airflow to the colossal supercharged engine beneath the hood. Slim LED headlights give the face a predatory stare, while the expansive hood showcases functional vents, air intakes, and heat extractors that hint at the monstrous power within. Dodge has seamlessly blended retro bravado with modern fluidity, creating a look that feels both nostalgic and cutting-edge. Moving along the sides, the sculpted profile emphasizes muscular strength. Broad fenders give the car an assertive stance, hinting at the massive tires gripping the road. The doors feature subtle curves that flow seamlessly into the rear haunches, giving the Hellcat a sense of forward motion even when parked. The car's proportions communicate aggression without sacrificing elegance, and optional racing stripes add a classic performance touch for drivers who want to amplify the visual drama. Available in a wide assortment of bold color options, the Hellcat Hemi looks as fierce standing still as it does at full throttle. The rear design carries the same commanding authority. A broadened stance gives the car incredible road presence, while a sharp, integrated spoiler enhances stability at high speeds. The quad exhaust tips release a deep, resonant growl that is instantly recognizable, signaling that the Hellcat's voice remains as fierce as ever. Advanced aerodynamics are subtly woven into the design, helping the car slice through the air without losing the muscular personality that defines the Hellcat lineage. Every curve serves a purpose, contributing to both performance and presence. Beneath the hood lies the heart of this beast, a supercharged 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine engineered to deliver staggering performance. Producing an awe-inspiring 850 horsepower and 770 pounds-ft of torque, this new generation power plant demonstrates Dodge's relentless pursuit of more power, higher efficiency, and greater reliability. Engineers have implemented advanced cooling systems, lightweight pistons, and revised intake manifolds to ensure smoother power delivery and improved thermal performance. These engineering improvements give the Hellcat a newfound sharpness, transforming its power into a precise and controlled force. The result is a machine capable of rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. This breathtaking figure places the Hellcat Hemi in direct competition with exotic sports cars far above its price range, delivering supercar-level performance wrapped in unmistakable American muscle character. The advanced 8-speed automatic transmission handles the massive output with precision, offering lightning-fast shifts that keep the power flowing seamlessly for traditionalists. Dodge continues to offer a 6-speed manual transmission, giving drivers the opportunity to command the machine with tactile connection and focus. Despite its immense capability, the 2027 Hellcat Hemi incorporates hybrid assist technology to enhance efficiency and low-speed torque. This mild hybrid system complements the engine during launches and helps smooth gear transitions, making everyday driving more refined without detracting from the car's ferocious personality. Dodge has succeeded in blending old-school muscle with new-age innovation, ensuring that the Hellcat remains relevant in an era of evolving emissions standards and electrification. Performance extends far beyond straight-line speed. The 2027 Hellcat Hemi has been engineered to tackle corners with surprising grace and precision. A reinforced chassis improves structural rigidity, while strategically integrated lightweight materials reduce overall weight and enhance balance. Adaptive suspension technology continuously adjusts damping rates, ensuring stability whether cruising on open highways or tearing through tight curves. The wide stance and updated all-wheel drive system provide exceptional traction during aggressive launches, while the selectable rear-wheel drive mode maintains the raw and traditional muscle car feel. Steering NG has been refined for greater accuracy and responsiveness, allowing the driver to remain in full control even under intense acceleration. The upgraded Brembo braking system, equipped with carbon ceramic rotors, provides outstanding stopping power and heat resistance. These enhancements ensure that the Hellcat Hemi is not just a straight-line brute, but a balanced performance machine, capable of handling diverse driving conditions with confidence and finesse. Inside, the 2027 Hellcat Hemi offers a cabin that blends performance-focused design with luxury and comfort. The interior layout is crafted around the driver, with controls intuitively positioned for quick access during spirited driving. High-quality materials such as Alcantara, premium leather, and carbon fiber trim elevate the experience, giving the cabin a modern yet rugged appeal. The seats are heavily bolstered to keep occupants firmly in place during dynamic maneuvers while still offering long-distance comfort. Heated and ventilated options ensure convenience across all seasons. The flat-bottom steering wheel is both functional and stylish, featuring integrated paddle shifters and a striking red start button that ignites the Hemi with an unmistakable roar. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while customizable digital displays allow drivers to tailor the cockpit to their preferences, despite its performance orientation. The Hellcat remains a practical car with ample cabin space, improved sound insulation, and useful amenities like wireless charging and dual-zone climate control. At the center of the dashboard sits a stunning 14-inch touchscreen powered by Uconnect 6, Dodge's most advanced infotainment system to date. The interface is fast, intuitive, and highly customizable, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Drivers can monitor real-time performance metrics such as G-forces, boost pressure, and lap timing with ease. A fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster provides additional telemetry, while an available head-up display projects crucial information onto the windshield. For audiophiles, Dodge has partnered with Harman Kardon to deliver a premium 19-speaker sound system that fills the cabin with rich, crisp audio. Whether enjoying music or the symphony of the engine, the listening experience is immersive and refined. Safety and driver assist technologies further enhance the Hellcat's appeal. Features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking provide peace of mind without intruding on the driving experience. These systems work together to create a safer, more confident ride whether navigating busy streets or pushing the car to its limits on open roads. Dodge introduces its new drive command system with the 2027 Hellcat Hemi, offering multiple driving modes including street, sport, track, and drag. Each setting adjusts throttle response, suspension stiffness, and traction control sensitivity, allowing drivers to customize performance based on their environment. A dedicated custom mode offers granular control, enabling enthusiasts to fine-tune the car's behavior to their exact preferences. Track-oriented features such as launch control and line lock make the Hellcat even more thrilling for those who crave competitive excitement. The 2027 Dodge Hellcat Hemi stands as a testament to the enduring power of muscle car heritage. It captures the iconic roar, the imposing stance, and the adrenaline-fueled performance that fans expect, yet elevates the formula with modern engineering and innovation. This car is more than a machine. It is a celebration of power, precision, and passion. It appeals not only to enthusiasts, but to anyone who believes that driving should be an experience that awakens essence. In an era where the future of high-performance vehicles is rapidly changing, the Hellcat Hemi boldly asserts that there is still room for raw, unfiltered muscle. It is a declaration that tradition and technology can coexist, creating a new kind of performance car that honors its roots while embracing progress for a new generation of thrill seekers. The 2027 Hellcat Hemi represents the pinnacle of modern muscle, an American legend reinvented for the road ahead. The legacy of the Hellcat has always been built on an emotional connection between driver and machine, and the 2027 model strengthens that bond more than ever before. Every aspect of its design, engineering, and technology works together to create a cohesive and exhilarating experience. When the engine roars to life, the sound is a reminder of what makes American muscle cars iconic: a thunderous, unapologetic declaration of force that resonates deeply with enthusiasts across generations. Driving the Hellcat Hemi is an event in itself. The surge of torque, the rapid build-up of speed, and the sensation of being pushed firmly into the seat all contribute to a visceral thrill that few modern cars can replicate. Yet this ferocity is controlled, channeled through sophisticated systems that make the car more responsive, more agile, and more approachable than its predecessors. It is a machine that respects the skill of experienced drivers while also inviting newcomers to explore its capabilities. Long-distance journeys reveal another side of the Hellcat's personality. Despite its explosive power, the car can cruise comfortably on highways for hours. The suspension softens when needed, the cabin remains quiet and composed, and the supportive seating ensures that fatigue never becomes a distraction. Modern connectivity features make it easy to stay engaged. Whether navigating unfamiliar roads or managing media playlists with voice commands, the Hellcat may be a performance monster, but it is also a machine designed to be lived with day after day. Enthusiasts will appreciate the enormous aftermarket potential the 2027 Hellcat Hemi offers. Dodge has intentionally designed the platform with tuners in mind, creating a structure that can handle significantly more power for those who want to push boundaries even further. Reinforced internals, advanced cooling systems, and a strong transmission allow performance builders to explore new extremes while maintaining reliability. This adaptability ensures that the Hellcat will remain a favorite in car culture for years. Community remains a core part of the Hellcat identity. Dodge owners have always shared a special camaraderie, and the new performance data recorder enhances that connection by allowing drivers to save and share runs, track times, and performance stats. Whether participating in local meets, drag events, or online discussions, Hellcat enthusiasts form a passionate, tight-knit family united by their love of power and performance. The 2027 model strengthens that bond by providing more ways than ever to engage with fellow fans. As electrification continues to reshape the automotive industry, many feared that traditional muscle cars would fade into memory. Yet Dodge has proven that evolution does not require abandoning identity. By integrating hybrid assist technology, enhancing efficiency, and refining aerodynamics, the Hellcat adapts without losing its soul. It stands as proof that the spirit of American muscle can thrive in a changing world, offering a glimpse into a future where power and responsibility exist side by side. Ultimately, the 2027 Dodge Hellcat Hemi represents more than numbers on a spec sheet or the roar of a supercharged V8. It symbolizes the continuation of a legacy that has inspired countless drivers and shaped modern car culture. It embodies freedom, rebellion, craftsmanship, and pride. It captures the feeling of gripping a steering wheel, hearing the growl of the engine, and knowing that in that moment, nothing else matters but the road ahead. This is the Hellcat reborn, fiercer, smarter, and more exhilarating than ever. It is a modern powerhouse forged from tradition, engineered for performance, and destined to leave its mark on automotive history. With the 2027 Hellcat Hemi, Dodge has created a masterpiece that ensures the spirit of muscle cars will continue to roar.